We do begin with our stock of the day. Now, this is obviously at the back of news. Sigma Healthcare. It's entering the UK market, signed a memorandum of understanding with Greenlight Healthcare to establish Chemist Warehouse stores in the UK. Sigma will acquire 75% stake in up to 5 stores initially, with the first location in London. And Sigma are also investing approximately $40 million in a distribution centre in New Zealand. Now, just in terms of the update there, Australian Chemist Warehouse sales grew more than 16.5% year to date. International stores sales there up close to 25%. Rudi, what do you make of this strategy?
Like it, I'm a shareholder. I'm a shareholder for a very particular reason. I just mentioned that investors probably have to keep an eye out now for which businesses are more resilient than others. I think, I was never a big fan of Sigma prior to the reverse takeover by Chemist Warehouse. I think Chemist Warehouse, coming of Chemist Warehouse into the share market is a blessing for investors. I think you get the chance now to own a very high quality company, very resilient, the best in the sector in Australia. It always has expressed the ambition to go offshore, and I knew, and that was obviously the public secret, they were eyeing the UK. When I talk to people who are more familiar with the UK than I am, they agree with management. There is an obvious hole in the market there. There is no Chemist Warehouse type of chemist in the UK, so there's an obvious hole which obviously they're not going to jump into. Australian companies, good to mention as well, Australian companies have a little bit of a checkered history by going offshore. Even Wesfarmers had to come back with the tail between the legs. But my observation is the quality companies, they can go offshore and be successful. And until proven otherwise, I think Chemist Warehouse, now in the form of Sigma, is a high quality company. So they should do well overseas.
I'll take that as a buy then.
That's a buy.
Yep. All right. And Shawn, also, certainly local, we're seeing that momentum in terms of those GLP-1 drugs as well. It's apparently everyone's going to Chemist Warehouse to buy them.
Yep, all that's true. Everything Rudi said is true, but I'm going to disagree with him slightly. If you just look at, you had the charts up before, they came out with a update in, I think it was October, when they said the synergies were going to be improved from 60 million to 100 million. These guys are doing it right. They're doing everything right. The move into the UK makes sense. The stock popped over 3% today, etc., etc. Top quality business. But, got to have a but. First stock, it's already trading on 44 times. This is a stock that's priced, I won't be as naive as to say perfection, but it is priced for good news. And if you go back, perfect chart, it hasn't moved anywhere for 18 months yet. It's had good news over that time frame. About 18 months, maybe 12 to 18 months. I wouldn't be in a hurry to buy it right here. I'd call it a hold. It's a quality business, and if we do go into a bear market, it's a great company to hold because it probably will hold up extremely well. But if we get a bit more euphoria in the market, it's probably going to underperform, in my opinion. It's going to take a while to take the next leg to higher prices. I do think it will go higher. I just wouldn't be in a hurry to buy it yet. You understand, make the comment though, it's done remarkably well for a healthcare stock compared to the whole sector. It's done really, really well. So I'd call it a hold. I definitely couldn't call it anything either side of that at the moment.
Yep. Okay. All right. A buy and a hold for our stock of the day. Sigma Healthcare.